Okay, I'm just going to do a quick video of Spectrum with the Multiface 128 interface, loading or saving a game to the Opus Discovery Disk drive. I'm using OTLA and I'm going to load Spaceman Willie. Fast load onto the Spectrum. Click. Right, so load. There's Opla. Play. Play. What's happening? Come on. Play. Right. There it goes. Loading Spaceman Willie. Here we go for the turbo load. Yeah, I love those nice colours that come up with turbo loaders. That's lovely. This OTLA program is excellent. It loads up your games and programs 10 times faster. So rather than waiting 4 minutes on a tape, you get to wait 20 seconds. Right, so there's Spaceman Willie loaded. There's the magic red button on the Multiface 128, which I'm now going to press. Well, we break into the program. That's lovely. And we've got the option to save, so we press the S key. There's S. File name. So enter a file name, say space. Man, just say Spaceman. And press enter. And to Opus, we've got the Opus Discovery. It gives the option for Opus, cartridge, tape, hyper or abort. So we'll go for Opus, which is O. And red light flashes. We've got a disc in there that I formatted the other day. And it's saving to disk. I already tried it with Rent-A-Kill Retail using a Multiface 1 and it worked perfectly. I can't believe this disk drive works, it's amazing. Let's see how long this takes. Not very long at all in comparison. Very nice. Right, so now I'll exit. And yeah, there we go. And we're into the program. So we're going to new that. Now, if I just do a cat, which is a catalogue of the disc. So cat 1. You can see that, a bit shaky, it's a bit hard. And there it is. Spaceman 1, 2 and 3. Now if I load up Spaceman just by its name, it will load it. But I don't think I'll do that now because it's just going to be a bit difficult. Well, I can do actually. If I just put the camera down and do a quick load star. Load star, quotes, M, semicolon, 1, semicolon, so that's drive 1, quotes, Spaceman, and we go back to the screen, so we've got that, press enter, disk drive whirs away, M128 loading, lovely. That's Multiface 128. So Spaceman Willie should come up any time now, within about probably 10 seconds. Nice quiet little drive. And there he is. Spaceman Willie. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. You must collect the radioactive objects and decontaminate yourself. Press enter to start. And there he is. Yeah, excellent game. All the Jet Sailor games and the clones and the modifications are absolutely excellent. You should play them all, they're all in World of Spectrum. Alright, so that's a demonstration of the M128 and the Opus Discovery Disk Drive. Excellent.